This is the solution for question 9 for the Linear Relations EQAO practice questions for grade 9 applied. And in question number 9, it says 2 lines are shown at the right. So here's the 2 lines here. On the question, you'll see that there's no rate triangle here, but otherwise it's the same graph. And you're asked which of the following describes a difference between line 1 and line 2. So I would probably, given what's here in the solution, start working through them and saying, okay, well, is that right or not? And if it's not, cross it off and go to the next. So for example, number 1 says, or A says, line 1, has a higher initial cost than line 2. So line 1 is this one here. It has an initial cost of 100. Line 2 is 300. So that is not correct. Line 2's initial value is higher, actually. So we could cross off A. A cannot be correct. Now let's take a look at the second one. Line 1 has a greater rate of change than line 2. If you look at the rate triangles I've drawn here, if we connect this point to this point, it's gone across 15 and up 100. And in fact, both of them are the same. It's gone across 50 and up 100. Down here in the solutions, I actually calculate the rate. Remember, rate is rise over run. So each rate would be 100 over 15, and they're the same, 100 over 15, 100 over 15. So neither one has a greater rate of change than the other. In fact, they have the same rate of change, so they actually are parallel lines. So B is not correct. And C is not correct. If it had said they were the same, then that would be a correct answer. So we're kind of hoping now that D is going to be the right one. Line 2 has a higher initial cost than line 1, and that is correct. Line 2 starts at 300, whereas line 1 only starts at 100. So line 2 is a higher initial cost, so D is the correct answer for question number 9.